Welcome back to iRise online classes. In the previous class we have discussed some problems related to indices sets. So this is continuation. See the next question please. If A is equal to 1 by 2 minus root 3 plus 1 by 3 minus root 8 plus 1 by 4 minus root 15, then what is the value of A? Here A is equal to 1 by 2 minus root 3 plus 1 by 3 minus root 8 plus 1 by 4 minus root 15. Rationalize each term. This can be written as 2 plus root 3 by 4 minus 3 after rationalization. This is 3 plus root 8 by 9 minus 8. After rationalization we get 4 plus root 15 by 16 minus 15. Just multiplied and divided by same number. Okay, just 4 plus root 15 by 4 plus root 15. Similarly this one, multiplied and divide. So the denominator is 1 for all. This is nothing but 2 plus root 3 plus 3 plus root 8 plus 4 plus root 15 is equal to 2 plus 3 plus 4 is 9 plus this is root 3 plus root 8 plus root 15. This is the value of A. So from this we can say that A is more than 9. A is equal to 9 is not correct. A is equal to 18 exactly is not correct. Okay, it is either more than 18 or less than 18. Here root 3 is less than root 4, nothing but 2. Root 8 is less than root 9, which is less than 3. Root 15 is less than root 16, nothing but 4. So sum of these three is less than sum of these three. Therefore, A is less than 9 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. So A is less than 18. A is less than 18 and A is not equal to 9. This is the answer for this question. Okay, see the next question please. It's a very simple question. X is equal to y power 1 by a, y is equal to z power 1 by b and z is equal to x power 1 by c. What is the value of a, b, c? Here x is equal to y power 1 by a. This is equal to, in the place of y, I want to put z power 1 by b, z power 1 by b whole power 1 by a. Okay, this is nothing but z power 1 by ab. Again, z can be written as x power 1 by c, x power 1 by c whole power 1 by ab, which is equal to x power 1 by abc is equal to x power 1. Okay, therefore 1 by abc is equal to 1. This implies abc is equal to 1. A simple question. Just bases are same, equate the powers. Next question. Here this is root of 15 plus root 60. I want to write root 60 as 2 root 15, root 84 as 2 root 21 plus root 140 as 2 root 35. This is nothing but 4 into 35. This is 4 into 21. This is 4 into 15. Root of 4 is 2. Is equal to root a plus root b plus root c. Actually the question is very simple. Here not necessary to find the root of this equation to find ABC. What they want first? A plus b plus c they want. If they want a plus b plus c, squaring this a plus b plus c, we get directly this is a squaring a plus b plus c, okay, plus 2 root AB plus 2 root BC plus 2 root CA after squaring on both sides. So this is irrational part, this is irrational part, and this is rational part. Rational part is a plus b plus c, here rational part is 15. So we say that a plus b plus c is equal to 15. Just squaring on both sides, we get rational part as a plus b plus c, here rational part is 15, that's all. It's a very simple question. But if any other condition given, for example a plus 2b minus 3c, like that, you have to find ABC. For that, this can be written as 5 into 3, this can be written as 3 into 7, this is nothing but 7 into 5, this is nothing but 5 plus 3 plus 7, 5, 3, 7 repeated, 10, 15. So therefore, the square root of this is nothing but root 7 plus root 5 plus root 3. Okay, so these are the values of A, B, C. But comparison somewhat difficult because we don't know which one is A, which one is B, which one is C. Okay, that's why the question is given only rational part of the question. Okay, next one. This question is also same as the previous one. Root of 10 plus 2 root 6 minus 2 root 15 minus 2 root to 10. Okay, here it's very simple question. I want to write this as 6 as 3 into 2, this is 5 into 3, this is 2 into 5, this is 5 plus 3 plus 2. In this 5 into 3 is negative, 5 into 2 is negative, so indirectly the 5 is negative. So answer for this question is root 2 plus root 3 minus root 5. But we have to check whether this answer is positive or not. Here root 2 is 1.414, this is 1.732, root 5 is 2 point something, so this must be more than this. So answer is correct. Root 2 plus root 3 minus root 5. This one is correct. If it is negative, this minus sum of these two is right. Okay, but this is the correct answer for this because this is a positive square root of the given number, given irrational number. Okay, next one. See the question, this is nothing but root 3 plus root 5 into root 5 plus root 2 by root 2 plus root 3 plus root 5 is equal to how much? The options, see the options, it gives a very simple method to get the answer. In all these, root 3 plus root 5 plus root 2, root 3 plus root 5 plus root 2, root 3, root 5, root 2, all these are same, only the constant before this is different. This is multiplied by 1, this is multiplied by 3 by 2, this is multiplied by 1 by 2, this is multiplied by 1 by 4. So I want to write this as some k. Okay, cross multiply, what we get? Multiply these two. I want to first multiply these two, then this can be written as root 5 into root 3 is root 15. Root 5 into root 5 is 5. Root 2 into root 3 is root 6. Root 2 into root 5 is root 10 is equal to k into root 5 plus root 3 plus root 2. Okay, k must be any of this. I want to multiply this by first root 5 plus root 3 plus root 2 because this part is same. Okay, so this is into some L. This can be written as, this k can be written as L into this one. Okay, if you multiplied these two, what we get? Root 5 into root 5 is 5. Actually this is nothing but a plus b plus c whole square. A square plus b square plus c square, 2 plus 2 root 15 plus 2 root 6 plus 2 root 10. This is a plus b plus c whole square into L. This is nothing but, this is a 10. I want to take 2 common. This is 5 plus, take 2 common, root 15 plus, this can be written as 2 root 6 sorry, not 2, by taking 2 common here, root 10 into L. Okay, see carefully in this. This part is same as this part. 2L is equal to, here coefficient is 1. If 2L is equal to 1, L can be written as 1 by 2. So in the place of L, put 1 by 2. This is the answer for this question. So what is K? L, that means 1 by 2 into root 5 plus root 3 plus root 2. This is the answer for this question. In some questions, options gives the idea. Okay, all the options having same part, just cross multiplication gives the answer. Here, not necessary to rationalize and simplify the total question. Okay, next question. Here root 2 plus root 5 minus root 3 into k is minus 12. Then what is the value of k? What is k? Minus 12 by root 5 plus root 2 minus root 3. Then multiplied and divided by root 5 plus root 2 plus root 3, root 5 plus root 2 plus root 3. Then what we get? This is root 5 plus root 2 plus root 3 by, this is a plus b, a minus b, a square minus b square. What is a square? 5 plus 2 plus 2 root 10 minus 3. Okay, again this can be written as, what we get here? 5 plus 2, 7, 7 minus 3 is 4, plus 2 root 10, this is minus 12 into this part. So minus 12 into this part by numerator, that is root 5 plus root 2 plus root 3 by, here also take 2 common. Okay, this is nothing but 2 plus root 10. 2 ones 2, 6 cancel. This is equal to minus 6 into root 5 plus root 2 plus root 3 multiplied and divided by 2 minus root 10. Multiplied and divided by 2 minus root 10. Then this is nothing but 2 plus root 10 into 2 minus root 10, 4 minus 10. Here is 2 minus root 10. What is 2 minus root 10? This is nothing but minus 6 gets cancelled. So answer is root 5 plus root 2 plus root 3 multiplied by 2 minus root 10. The only option is this one. Okay, just first rationalize like this. After getting 2 plus root 10 in the denominator, again 2 multiplied and divided by 2 minus root 10 gives the answer. Okay, next. What is the square root of 6 minus root 35? 6 minus root 35 square root of. Here 2 is not there. I want to write this as 12 minus 2 root 35 by 2. Okay. Here this is 7 into 5. This is 7 plus 5. So what is the square root of this? Root 7 minus root 5 by root 2, because root 2 is there in the denominator. Root 7 minus root 5 by root 2 is the answer. Actually this is also the answer, because if you write first 5 and 7, but square root is always positive, you have to write only the positive answer. Okay, what is root 4? You have to write only 2 please, not plus or minus 2. Okay, yeah, next. This is a direct question. Root of 10 plus 2 root 6 plus 2 root 10 plus 2 root 15. This is 5 into 3. 2 root 15 can be written as 5 into 3 this is 5 into 2, this is 2 into 3, this is 5 plus 2 plus 3. So answer is root 5 plus root 3 plus root 2 is the answer. Root 5 plus root 3 plus root 2 is the answer. Actually, this question also not necessary to solve because only one option is having positive. Here all are positive, so the three rational numbers or irrational numbers must be positive. So this is the only one option. Okay. So sometimes this type of questions will be very easy. Without solving the questions, we can get the answers directly. Right? Shall I go to next question? Yeah. This is a good question. X is equal to root 3 by 2, then what is the value of root of 1 plus x by 1 plus root of 1 plus x? Actually, in indices hertz, symmetry must be there. For example, if it is root of a plus 2 root b, value is root x plus root y, then what is a minus 2 root b? We can write directly root x minus root y place. If you know one part, we can get the second part easily. Okay? Yeah. So first I want to solve the first part. X is given. First I want to find root of 1 plus x. Nothing but root of 1 plus root 3 by 2. This can be written as root of 2 plus root 3 by 2. Just multiplied and divide. Then this can be written as root of 4 plus 2 root 3 by 4. 2 in plus 2 multiplied by 2, this becomes 4 plus 2 root 3. Here, this is 3 into 1 and this is 3 plus 1. So, numerator is root 3 plus 1 by root 4 is 2. This is root of 1 plus x value. Numerator value. Then what is 1 plus root of 1 plus x? Just add 1. 1 plus root 3 plus 1 by 2. Okay, this can be written as 2 plus 1, 3 plus root 3 by 2. Okay, by taking root 3 common, we get root 3 plus 1 by 2. Okay, so this is the denominator part. If we know these two, then the second part is also easy. I want to write second part here. What is root of 1 minus x? Root of just minus, put minus, 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 minus. So we get directly root 3 minus 1 by 2. Then what is 1 minus root of 1 minus x? 1 minus of root 3 minus 1 by 2. If you simplify this can be written as root 3. Okay, this is root 3 into root 3 minus 1 by 2. 2 ones are 2, minus of minus 1 plus 3. Okay, 3 minus root 3 into root 3, 3, root 3 into minus 1 is minus root 3. Then substitute in the question. Then what we get here? So here first part is root 3 plus 1 by 2 by root 3 times root 3 plus 1 by 2 plus the second part is root 3 minus 1 by 2 by root 3 times root 3 minus 1 by 2. Here these two gets cancelled. Okay, this one and this one cancel. 1 by root 3 plus 1 by root 3 is the answer, which is equal to 2 by root 3. The answer is 2 by root 3. Okay, next question. If A is equal to 2 plus root 3 by 2 minus root 3, B is 2 minus root 3 by 2 plus root 3, then what is A square plus B square plus AB? First I want to find A plus B. 2 plus root 3 by 2 minus root 3 plus 2 minus root 3 by 2 plus root 3, which is equal to LCM is 2 plus root 3 into 2 minus root 3 is 4 minus 3. 2 plus root 3 by 2 minus root 3 is 4 minus 3. We get here 2 plus root 3 whole square plus 2 minus root 3 whole square. This is in the form of a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square, which is equal to 2 times a square plus b square by denominator is 1. So the value is 14. Okay. Then what is the question? The question is a square plus b square plus ab. This can be written as a plus b whole square minus ab. A plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab minus ab, you get this one. Where a plus b is 14 square, ab 1. Because one is reciprocal of the other, product is 1. So answer is 196 minus 1. So answer is 195. So answer for this question is 195. Okay. Next question. What is the value of 1 by root of 7 minus 4 root 3? In this question we have to find the square root. After that, rationalization. Very simple question. This can be written as 1 by root of 7 minus, only write 2 because I want to convert in the form of a minus 2 root b. This can be written as a minus 2 root b model. So 2 into, if 2 is transferred into the root, then for 4 into 3, which is equal to 12. So here this 12 can be written as 4 into 3, this 7 can be written as 4 plus 3. Therefore the denominator is root 4 minus root 3. Okay. For this the answer is root x minus root y. Rationalize this, then we get root 4 plus root 3 by 4 minus 3. So answer is 2 plus root 3. This is closed to root 3 value is 1.732 plus 2. So answer is 3.732 approximately. It is nearer to 3.7. Okay. Sometimes they want nearest value. Okay. In this case you have to know the values of root 3, root 2 like that. Root 3 is 1.732 and root 2 is equal to 1.414. Okay. Next. This is same as this one. Root of 1 by root of 17 plus 12 root 2 is closest to 1 by root of 17 plus 12 root 2. This can be written as 6 into 2. So therefore this can be written as 1 by root of 17 plus 2 root 2 into 36, which is equal to 72. If it is transferred in the root, it becomes 36 into 2, 72. Here this is a sum of two terms, this is product of two terms and this is sum of those two terms. What are those? 9 into 8, 9 plus 8. So therefore the denominator is 1 by root 9 plus root 8. After rationalization, this can be written as root 9 minus root 8 by 1. Okay. Root 9, 3. Root 8 is nothing but 2 root 2. So what is approximate value? This is nothing but 3 minus root 2 is 1.414 into 2. Please check nearest value. This is 3 minus 2.82 414, sorry, 828. 3 minus 2.8 itself is 1.2, sorry, 0.2. Okay, this is nothing but nearer to 0.2. Okay, otherwise you have tried 3.000 by 2.828, we get 271.0. So 0.172, answer is 0.17. It is nearer to 0.17. Next. What is the value of root of 9 minus 2 root 11 minus 6 root 2? So you have to find 2 times the square root of this one. It is nearer to. So first I want to find what is root of 11 minus 6 root 2. This is nothing but root of 11 minus 2 root 18. This can be written as 2 into 3. 3 is transferred, it becomes 9 into 2, 18. Then this is nothing but 9 into 2, this is 9 plus 2. So therefore this can be written as root of, this can be written as root 9 minus root 2, which is equal to 3 minus root 2. This is this part. Therefore the question is 9 minus 2 times root of 11 minus 6 root 2 can be written as root of 9 minus 2 times 3 minus root 2, which is equal to root of 9 minus 6 is 3, minus into minus plus 2 root 2. Again this is 2 into 1 and this is 2 plus 1, again square root of this one. A plus B, say this is A plus B, this is A into B. The answer is root 2 plus root 1, nothing but root 2 plus 1. Root 2 is 1.414 plus 1, 2.414 is the answer. 2.414. 2 times finding square root gives the answer. First find the square root of this part, then 9 minus of that one, 9 minus of this part, we get root 2 plus 1 as the answer. Okay, understood? I think the questions are very simple. If not understood, again go through the question. Okay, finding how to find the square root. Already I have given some examples in basics. So go through the basics, how to find square root 2 and solve this question again. Okay, next. Here these two, again it is related to square roots. What is square root of 10 minus 2 root 21 and what is square root of 8 plus 2 root 15? After finding these two, simplify this, add. Here the first part is, this is 7 into 3, this is 7 plus 3. So this is root 7 minus root 3, first part. This is 5 into 3, this is 5 plus 3. So this is root 5 plus root 3. Okay, then add these two. What we get? Root 7 minus root 3 is added to root 5 plus root 3 is equal to root a plus root b given. These two gets cancelled. So from this we can say that one is a 7, other one is a 5. Root a plus root b. Then what is root ab? Root of 35. Root 35 is nearest to 2. Root 36, which is equal to 6. So answer is just less than 6, nearer to 5.9 something. Is approximately equal to 6. Okay, just less than 6. The answer is 5.9. So all these questions based on finding square roots of the surds. Okay, next. What is the value of 28 plus 10 root 3 minus of root of 7 minus 4 root 3? This is the question. First convert this question as root of 28 plus 2 root 2 into 5, 5 transferred, 25, 3 is 75, minus root of 7 minus 2 root. This can be written as 2 into 2, 2 is transferred, 4, 3 is 12. Here, this is 4 into 3, this is 4 plus 3. This is 25 into 3, this is 25 plus 3. Therefore, this can be written as root 25 plus root 3 minus, this can be written as root 4 minus root 3. Okay, then what we get here? Root 25 is 5 minus, plus, this is root 3 plus 2 root 3, totally 2 root 3 minus 2, which is equal to 3 plus 2 times 1.732, because root 3 value is nearer to 1.732 approximately. This is 3.4 plus 3, answer is 6.4 something, 6.4 nearer to 6.5. Okay, this is 4, 6, okay, 3.46 plus 3, 6.464 nearer to 6.5. Next one. This is also a good question. Actually, this is a standard question. If any question of this type given, the answer is always 2. The answer is 2. How to get this one? I want to give the formula as well as the procedure also. First I want to give the procedure, then write it as a formula, and that formula is applicable to the all algebraic type of questions like this. Here, to solve this question, first I want to find this part and also this part, and adding those two parts gives the answer. Just the procedure is somewhat lengthy, but after knowing this, if any question of this type given, the answer will be very easy. Here x is given as 4 root 15 by root 5 plus root 3. First I want to find what is x by root 20. To find x plus root 20 by x minus root 20, first find x by root 20. X is, the x value is 4 root 15. I want to write this as 5 into root 3 by root 5 plus root 3. This is the value of x. And root 20 can be written as, this root 20 can be written as 2 root 5. This 4 root 15 can be written as 4 into root 5 into root 3. Here root 5 and root 5 cancel. 2 also cancel. Okay, so x by root 20 is nothing but 2 root 3 by root 5 plus root 3. This is the value. Then apply componendo and dividendo. In the last class I have discussed a componendo and dividendo. If a by b is equal to c by d, a plus b by a minus b is equal to c plus d by c minus d, componendo and dividendo condition. Similarly, I want to apply for this can be written as x plus root 20 by numerator plus denominator by numerator minus denominator is equal to, here also apply this one, numerator plus denominator. If we add these two, we get 3 root 3 plus root 5 by this minus this is root 3 minus root 5. This is first part. Okay, I want to write this as 1. Then I want to find the second part also. Okay, first I want to find x by root 12 is equal to 1 by root 12 can be written as 2 root 3 into, this is x. X can be written again same as 4 into root 5 into root 3 by root 5 plus root 3. This is equal to, after cancellation we get 2 root 5 by root 5 plus root 3. Then apply componendo and dividendo. What is x plus root 12 by x minus root 12? Sum of these two by difference of these two. Sum of these two by difference of these two. What we get? Sum of these two. 3 root 5 plus root 3 by this minus this. Root 5 minus root 3. Okay? So then, this is a 2. This is 2. This is equation 1. This is equation 2. Then add these two to get the value. To get this value, add these two. So x plus root 20 by 3 root 3 plus root 5 by root 3 minus root 5 plus 3 root 5 plus root 3 by root 5 minus root 3 is equal to how much? Here the denominator is root 5 minus root 3 I want to write. This is taking minus common, you get minus 3 root 3 minus root 5 plus 3 root 5 plus root 3. This is equal to 3 root 5 minus root 5 is 2 root 5. Minus 3 root 3 plus root 3 is minus 2 root 3 by root 5 minus root 3. Taking 2 common, root 5 minus root 3 by root 5 minus root 3. If you cancel this, the answer for this question is 2. This is the procedure to find the answer. This is the biggest procedure. First of all, you have to find x by root 20, then apply component and dividendo, we get first part. Find x by root 12, apply component and dividendo, we get the second part. Then adding these two parts, then we get the answer as 2. I want to make a formula for this. Okay? How to write this formula? See carefully. If x is equal to 4ab by a plus b given, then x plus 2a by x minus 2a plus x plus 2b by x minus 2b is always equal to 2. This is the formula. Okay? This is the formula. If x is equal to 4ab by a plus b, then x plus 2a, this is 2a, by x minus 2a plus x plus 2b by x minus 2b is equal to 2. Similarly, I want to write one more formula also. If x is equal to 2ab by a plus b given, then x plus a by x minus a plus x plus b by x minus b is also equal to 2, same. If x is equal to 4ab by a plus b, x plus 2a by x minus 2a plus x plus 2b by x minus 2b is equal to 2. Similarly, if x is equal to 2ab by a plus b, then x plus a by x minus a plus x plus b by x minus b is also equal to 2. So this question, if you understand this concept, for example, if question is given directly this one, how to get this one? So go for the substitution, we get the answer directly. Okay? Understand this? See here, I want to consider like this. If x is equal to 4ab by a plus b, then what is x plus 2a by x minus 2a plus x plus 2b by x minus 2b is equal to how much if this question is given like this? Then I want to go for substitution, put a as 3, b as 1, a as 3, b as 1. Then what is x? 4 3 is 12 by 4, which is equal to 3. X is equal to 3. Put x is equal to 3 here. 3 plus 2a, a is 3, 6 by 3 minus 6. This is 3 plus 2b, b is 1, 2 by 3 minus 2, 3 minus 2, 1. This is 9 by minus 3 is minus 3 plus 5 by 1 is 5. So what is 5 minus 3? So answer is 2. If question is given in terms of A comma B, the options are go for substitution to get the answer easily. But question is given in terms of search, here substitution not possible because already X is given. How to substitute? So actually this is the procedure. Otherwise you have to know the formula. If you know the formula, we can get the answer directly. If any question given like this, then we get the answer as 2. Okay, next. If x is equal to 5 minus root 21, then what is root x by root of 32 minus root 2x minus root 21? In this case, we have to find 2 times of root. First, I want to find root x, nothing but root of 5 minus root 21. This can be written as root of 10 minus 2 root 21 by 2. Okay. This can be written as, this is nothing but 7 into 3, this is 7 plus 3. So answer is root 7 minus root 3 by root 2. This is numerator. Then what is the denominator? Denominator. What is root of 32 minus 2x? This is equal to root of 32 minus 2x is nothing but 10 minus 2 root 21 is equal to 32 minus 10 is root of 22 minus into minus plus 2 root 21. Here this is 21 into 1, this is 21 plus 1, so this can be written as root 21 plus 1. Then substitute in this question, root x is this one, root 7 minus root 3 by root 2, this is the question, is by root of 32 minus 2x is root 21 plus 1 minus root 21. Minus root 21. These two gets cancelled. This one and this one gets cancelled. So what is the answer? Root 7 minus root 3 by root 2 by 1 same. So answer is this one. Root 7 minus root 3 by root 2. Okay? Yeah. Next. If root 3 plus 1 whole square is equal to x plus root 3 into y, then what is x plus y? Root 3 plus 1 whole square is equal to x plus root 3 into y. I won't write it as y root 3. Squaring gives 3 plus 1 plus 2 root 3 is equal to, okay, 2 plus 1 plus this one is equal to x square plus y square into 3 plus y square into 3 plus xy root 3. xy not necessary. Here directly this is given as x plus root y, x plus root 3y. Here rational part is equal to 4, so x is equal to 4. Root 3 is multiplied by y, here is root 3 is multiplied by y, so 2. So x is equal to 4, y is equal to 2, x plus y is equal to 6. Just a square is given, this is directly find the square and equate it to this. We get x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 2. Rational part compared with rational part, irrational part compared with irrational part. Equality of sets I have told. Okay. So answer for this question is 6. Next. If root of 86 minus 60 root 2 is a minus b root 2, what is a square plus b square? So big numbers are given, care should be taken. Root of 86 minus 60 root 2, okay, is equal to root of 86 minus 2 root of 30 is transferred, we get 900 into 2. Okay, so this is 1800. Root of 86 minus 2 root 1800, actually this is one. So what is the value of this? I want to write this as, see, 1800 is nothing but 900 into 2. This is nothing but 100 into 9, 50 into 18 into 2, 8 into 36 into 50. Sum of these two is 86 and product of this. So this is nothing but 50 plus 36. This is 50 into 36. So therefore square root of this number is root 50 minus root 36. Root 50, what is root 50? 25, sorry, root 50 is 25 root, 5 root 2 minus 6. 5 root 2 minus 6. Then compared with, this is compared with a minus b root 2. A minus b root 2. Care should be taken. A minus b root 2 is this one. What is a? A is equal to minus 6. Rational part with rational part, irrational part with irrational part. Minus b root 2 is 5 root 2. So b is equal to minus 5. Then what is root of a square plus b square? Root of 36 plus 25. Root of 61. So what is approximately equal to 61? This is less than 8. 64, 8 square is 64, just less than 8. It is approximately equal to 7.8. Okay, decimal, correct to decimal places is this one. Otherwise you have to find 78 square or 72 square. 8 square 64, 7 square 49, 7 8s are 56 into 2, 112, 4806, 6084. Okay, that means 7.8 whole square is nothing but 60.8, nearly 61. So answer is 7.8. Okay, next question. This is a different question. Root of root 5 plus 2 plus root of root 5 minus 2 by root of root 5 plus 1 minus 3 minus 2 root 2. Here finding square root for this is very easy, but this is how to write this one. See here, I want to write this as root of root 5 plus 2 plus root of root 5 minus 2 by root of root 5 plus 1. I want to multiply by root 5 minus 1. Okay, just a minute, I want to write clearly. I want to multiply this by root 5 minus 1. Okay, and here also multiplied by root of root 5 minus 1. Multiplied and divided by same number. Then what is the denominator? Root of a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. Okay, next, this is multiplied by this is in single root. This is multiplied by this is one more in single root. Multiply these two. Root 5 into root 5, 5. Root 5 into 2, 2 root 5. Minus 1 into root 5, minus root 5. Minus 1 into plus 2, minus 2. So this is first part. What is second part? Root 5 into root 5, 5. Root 5 into 2, minus 2 root 5. minus 1 into root 5 minus root 5 minus 1 into minus 2 plus 2. Then this can be written as root of 4 which is equal to 2 in the denominator. This is the square root of 5 minus 2 is 3. 2 plus root 5, 2 root 5 minus root 5 is root 5. This is first part. Plus, what is second part of this one? 5 plus 2, 7. This is minus 3 root 5. Okay. To solve this question, I want to find the square roots of these two numbers. Square roots of these two numbers. What is square root of 3 plus root 5? Multiplied and divided by, here this is multiplied and divided by, one write once again. Root of 3 plus 2 root 5 can be written as 6 plus, 3 plus root 5 can be written as 3 plus root 5 can be written as root of 6 plus 2 root 5 by 2. This is 5 into 1, this is 5 plus 1. So square root is root 5 plus 1 by root 2. This is this part. Second part is this one. Root of 7 minus 3 root 5 can be written as root of 7 minus, if 3 is a transferred root of 45. This can be written as root of 14 minus 2 root 45 by 2, which is equal to 9 5s 9 plus 5. So this is root 9 minus root 5 by root 2. It's a big question. So you have to find the square root of this one and also square root of this one. Then add these two. Add these two. What we get here? If you add these two, the denominator is root 3 plus root 5. Sorry, root of 3 plus root 5 plus root of 7 minus 3 root 5 is equal to, if you add these two, plus root 5 minus root 5 gets cancelled, we get root 9 plus 1 by root 2. Root 9 is 3 plus 1 4 by root 2, which is equal to 2 root 2. Okay, so this part is totally 2 root 2. Therefore, the answer is 2 root 2 by, here this is 2 minus square root of this part. This is 2 into 1, this is 2 plus 1. Square root of this is nothing but root 2 minus 1. Okay, here 2 cancel, root 2 minus root 2 plus 1. So answer is 1 for this question. 1 is the answer. So first rationalize the denominator. We get this value. Here this is 1 root. Find the square root of this one, square root of this one. We get these two are square roots. Add these two by 2. Add these two, we get 2 root 2 by 2. 2 cancel, we get root 2. So up to this part we get the value as root 2. And find the square root of this one. 2 into 1, 2 plus 1. So therefore the square root is root 2 minus 1. So therefore root 2 minus root 2 plus 1. So answer for this question is 1. It's a very good question and it's a very big question. Okay.